Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, we are dealing with the chapter political parties from the last few days. Yesterday we learned the different functions of political parties, and our today's lesson is the challenges faced by the political parties. Different challenges faced by the political parties. Various challenges are faced by the political parties as they have their own agenda, they have their own vision, and people expect a lot to them. Since you know, there are some challenges which are very severe in our society, like we have unemployment, like we have this backwardness in education, and similarly various other factors which are to be fulfilled. तो जनरली हम देखते हैं कि हमारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो हैं ये कौन कौन सा चैलेंज फेस करती हैं. द फर्स्ट चैलेंज विच द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी फेस इज लैक ऑफ इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी. सिंस it is considered that India is a democratic country, but we see that in practical field, when it comes the time of this democratic concept, there is lack of it. Democracy goes on with the help of political parties, but there is lack of internal democracy within the party. Generally, the power within the party is concentrated within the hands of one or two leaders, and thus the ordinary members are dissatisfied with central leadership. You have seen, we have the various parties. You see, if we talk the leaders of our this regional our region, if we see the leaders of regional parties, take the example of National Conference. Only few prominent members or these persons are there who run the whole party, while as others their concept, their ideology is never taken into cognizance. Similarly, when we see the People's Democratic Party, it revolves around few persons. Same is the case of People's Conference. And similarly, when we see the party system in national level, same is the situation over there. So we lack democracy, democratic ideas in these parties as well. Then we have another, the great factor which these political parties face, that is known as the dynastic succession. This is a kind of monarchy. You see, in the Gulf countries, where a country is governed by a prince, after his death his son becomes the prince, and the system is carried on. Same is the case over here. If the party head dies, his son takes the charge. And this is, of course, a threat in a democratic setup of the political, and it is a challenge. No party head wants to give the supreme power of the party to another member of his party. The biggest challenge faced by the political parties these days is the issue of dynastic succession. These parties do not have transparent functioning, and the leaders always try to give unfair advantage to their family members. Similarly, we have another factor, that is money and muscle power. Another challenge which the political parties are facing is the increased role of money and muscle power, especially during elections. You see, when time time of elections come near, the voters are being sold by these political parties. They give voters some rupees and got their votes, get their votes, and this is also a threat. This is also a challenge for a political party. Similarly, muscle power is there. People are being threatened by the muscle power. This is the lack in the function of the political party. Lack of meaningful choice. This is the another challenge. All the political parties are same in one way or the other. Difference is only of the priority of issue. That is why people do not have any meaningful choice among them. You see, in present day India, when elections come, most of the peoples, especially the intellectuals, are fed up by this process, because this election process has become a kind of game, which is played by these political parties. Only there are they contest for some meager issues, and never take the care of the residents or the subjects of the state. That is why most people do not believe on these parties, because they have not a concrete this opinion or a concrete agenda for the benefit of the people. Such are so these points which I discussed to you are the big challenges for these political parties. So, my dear students, tomorrow we will go ahead for the next topic. This is all for today. Thank you very much.